Sometimes you really just want a cookie. Lately, the kind of cookie I want's been a toss-up between chocolate chip and oatmeal raisin. Unfortunately, when it comes to gluten-free baked goods, cookies seems to be one of the trickiest things to make. Fortunately, that's not the case with my gluten-free flour blend. A couple days ago, I used my gluten-free flour blend to make the most amazing gluten-free Levain-Style chocolate chip cookies. And you can see how perfect they turned out. And they were absolutely delicious. They were slightly crisp on the outside, soft and gooey on the inside. Perfect flavor. I used Melissa Statler's, also known as Modern Honey's, recipe online. She has an outstanding Levain-Style chocolate chip cookie recipe online. Using my gluten-free flour formula, I didn't have to make any adjustments to use her recipe. I made the recipe exactly as it was written. I used exactly the same amounts, exactly the same ingredients. The only change was I used my gluten-free flour blend where it called for all-purpose flour. If you want to try making a gluten-free version of Modern Honey's Levain-Style chocolate chip cookie recipe, you could use a different brand one-to-one gluten-free flour blend, but I can't guarantee that you'll get the same results. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Sunflower Academy of Gluten-Free Fusion YouTube channel. Also, please check out the website, sunflourgf.com. sunflourgf.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.